In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare other people's shared folders in Dropbox. If someone has shared a folder with you in Dropbox and you no longer want that folder showing up in your account, the good news is that you can remove it in just a few clicks. This does not mean you are deleting the folder for everyone. It simply removes the shared folder from your own Dropbox, which is helpful if you want to declutter your workspace or stop seeing files you no longer need access to. To begin, open your web browser and go to Dropbox. If you're starting from a search page, type in Dropbox and look for the official Dropbox website in the search results. Once you see it, click on Dropbox.com to open the site. After the Dropbox homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account where the shared folder appears. This is important because if you're using a different account, you may not see the folder you're trying to remove. Once you're inside Dropbox, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Shared. This section shows folders and files that have been shared with you, as well as content you've shared with others. It's the easiest place to manage shared items. Now find the specific folder you want to remove from your Dropbox. When you locate it, move your mouse over that folder. As you hover, you'll see a three-dot menu appear. Click that three-dot menu to open more options for that folder. In the menu that appears, click Remove from Dropbox. This is the option that removes the shared folder from your account without affecting the original folder for the owner or other collaborators. In other words, you're only removing your own access and visibility in your Dropbox view. After you click that option, Dropbox may ask you to confirm the action. If it does, go ahead and confirm. Once completed, the folder will no longer appear in your Dropbox account. A quick tip here. Make sure you're removing the correct folder before confirming, especially if you have several shared folders with similar names. Taking a second to double check can save you from having to ask for access again later. And that's all it takes. You just go to Dropbox, open the shared section, hover over the folder you want to remove, open the three-dot menu, and select Remove from Dropbox. It's a simple way to keep your Dropbox organized and focused only on the files and folders you actually need.